This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a clock from resin. Always prioritize safety, wearing protective gloves, eye protection, and a good respirator in a well-ventilated area. You will need a two-part art resin system, a silicone clock mold, and small, accurate measuring cups for precise ratios. Gather stirring sticks, various resin pigments for color, and a heat gun or torch to remove any air bubbles. These initial steps are vital for a successful and safe project outcome. Carefully measure exactly equal parts of resin and hardener by volume into separate, clean measuring cups. Then, combine both components into a single, larger cup and stir very slowly for a full 3 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom thoroughly. Next, add a few drops of your desired resin pigment, mixing it in until the color is completely uniform. Finally, pour the tinted resin gently into your silicone clock mold, starting from the center and letting it spread outwards. Once the resin is poured, you have about 20 to 30 minutes of working time before it starts to thicken. This is the perfect window to carefully embed any decorative elements into the wet resin. You might consider placing clock numbers, small metallic gears, or even dried botanical elements for a unique look. Use tweezers or a slender craft stick to position these items precisely, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finish with a quick, light pass of the heat gun to release any surface air bubbles. After placing all elements, cover your mold and let the resin cure completely in a warm, dust-free area for a minimum of 24 hours. For best results, allow it to cure for 72 hours before handling extensively. Once fully cured, carefully demold your clock by gently pushing up from the bottom of the silicone mold. If any edges are sharp, gently sand them using 400 grit sandpaper, then 800, followed by polishing for a perfectly smooth, clear finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.